In this video, I'll show how to add a fuzzy skin texture only to selected areas of a model. Right now, I'm working on my Jericho 941F pistol model, and one of the challenges I ran into was recreating the textured surface on the grip panels. This kind of grip texture is not easy to model directly in Fusion 360, which is the software I use for designing. The pattern itself is already pretty complex, but the bigger problem is that it doesn't cover the entire grip. It only appears on specific selected areas. Luckily, the Creality slicer I use has a very useful feature that lets you apply fuzzy skin only to selected surfaces. After finishing the grip panels, I open the model in Creality Print and make sure I'm using version 7 or newer. Then I select the Fuzzy Skin on Surfaces tool. Before applying it, I check the main settings, the distance between the bumps and the height of the texture. These values control how fine or rough the final surface will be. Once the settings look right, I simply click on the prepared faces on the grip surface where I want the texture to appear. After that, the slicer does the rest automatically. As you can see, the texture is applied only where I selected it, while the rest of the grip stays clean and smooth. And here is the result on the printed model. This is a very useful way to add realistic grip texture without spending hours trying to model every small detail manually.